and welcome to my kitchen. Today we're going to make chocolate chip cookies. I have pre-measured all of our ingredients, and we are going to need 2 1/4 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 cup of butter, which usually is 2 sticks of butter, and they have to be softened, 3/4 cups of granulated sugar, 3/4 cups of packed brown sugar, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 2 large eggs, and 2 cups of chocolate chips morsels. Let's bake! Preheat the oven to 375 degrees. In a bowl, combine the flour, the baking soda, and the salt. Mix them all together. I have set aside the dry ingredients. Now, in a separate mixing bowl, we're going to beat the butter, the granulated sugar, the brown sugar, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. If you have a mixer, use the mixer. And beat it until the entire mixture is well mixed. If you don't have a mixer, that's okay. You can use a fork to mix all of your ingredients. You can use a spatula to turn the mixture over and scrape the sides of the bowl. Add the egg. And make sure they're beaten well. If you see clumps of brown sugar, break them apart. Now that the butter and egg mixture is beaten, we're going to add the flour mixture. And you're gonna beat it again. Scrape the sides of the bowl with a spatula to make sure that all the ingredients are mixed. When the flour is all mixed, add the chocolate chips and mix some more. Line a baking sheet with parchment paper. Use 2 small spoons to make the batter into small balls and drop them on the parchment paper. Make sure to place them 2 inches apart. Once you have filled the baking sheet with the dough, we're gonna put them in the oven and bake them for 9 to 11 minutes or until golden brown. When the cookies are golden brown, take them out of the oven carefully. Place them on top of the stove, let them cool off for a minute, and then transfer them to a cooling rack. Now it is time to try our cookies. Well, they're really good actually. A lot of chocolate. I hope you like them too.